I think I'm a little bit itchy today. A little bit itchy. So, a little bit itchy today. We're making tasty rainbow. I love rainbow. How can this be rainbow? There's just 4 colors. Yeah.
4 or only 3 colors?
Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Just down.
To start, what are the things required for the test?
We're gonna require today, and the things that are required is some water, and we need 3 cups. 1 to 3. 3 cups. Don't use 2 cups. You can use the measuring cylinder, and you need a test tube. So you need crystal powder. You need some crystal powder, the stirring stick, and a spatula. And all the colors that it has: blue, yellow, and red.
All the
These
3
are
primary colors?
3 primary colors. Don't
Red,
use
blue.
rose skin.
Okay.
And the apple. 2 green apple cells. And don't use glow powder also.
Okay, now start your experiment.
So, we need to fill each cup 15 water each.
15 ml of water each.
15 ml of water.
So,
Put and put. 3, there, 3, like. I'm using a water bottle.
you need the help?
I think I need help a little bit. I just can't measure by myself.
Okay.
So I think I can pour.
Pour, start pouring. Pour.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared. So I filled each cup 15 ml water each.
Each cup with 15 ml of water. Okay.
My
Now
mother helped
what's the next step?
Now next step is add 2 drops of red in first, 2 drops of yellow in second, and 2 drops of blue color in the third cup.
Okay, start adding 2 drops.
So,
2 drops only. Be careful. 1, 2. That's it.
That's it. Now add some yellow poop.
Yellow in the second
Second.
cup. Okay, yellow in the second cup. 1, 2. Okay.
Load it up.
Now it's the turn of third cup.
This is my favorite blue color. All of the colors are my favorites. Including black. Also black.
1, 2. That's it.
I don't feel like these cups. I think the blue color is so good.
Okay, now what?
Now we have to just mix it up. Oh, we have to also add crystal powder.
How much crystal powder?
I don't know, 1 scoop. 1 scoop crystal powder. One. It's like feeding a baby.
It's no.
It's a bit feeding like baby's crystal powder. Don't eat crystal powder, please. Please, it's dangerous. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Eat or you'll be sick. It's a bit like feeding a baby. I think it's good mix. I guess this crystal powder is so yucky, huh? This is I can just steer. देखो crystal powder कैसा होता है ना, देखिए. इची तो मिक्स भी नहीं हो सकता ना. It's making green, but can't I mix? I can't just mix. Can't I mix? So I got some crystal powder on my seed, and my seed is tiny now. So you're gonna mix it carefully.
Okay.
So that it turns like this. And yeah, it looks a bit like jelly in the starting. So fill 15 ml of water in the measuring cup. Then add 1 drop of blue color. Boop. Carefully add it. 1 drop of blue color, and then
2 drops
2 drops of red color. It's not going. It's not dropping. 1. Yeah, 2. Huge.
next with
Mix
stir
it.
it
Stir it. Stir it.
विस्क मत करो आप क्रिस्टल कैसे निकालोगे स्पून
And you have to add 1 scoop of crystal powder to it. 1 scoop. Good. Stick. हाँ अब देखो जेली जैसा बिल्कुल नहीं कंफर्म लग रहा है ना. Now we have to mix it with the stirring stick, huh? That's cool. Is it confirm any like this? It's not confirming any like this. It's so watery. So get your test tube ready, and then you're gonna fill
the test tube with
2
colors crystal.
You're gonna first place 2 scoops of crystal
red
of your crystals you made. It's like a little bit like jelly. So it's like feeding a baby. You're gonna do in the outer like I do. Just scooping up. It's like feeding a baby. Feed 1 scoop, please. And more of jelly, please. For you, baby.
Yeah.
And we're gonna add some yellow jelly for you, baby. And boop, 1 scoop. Oops. 2 scoop. It's gonna be this one. Feeding like a baby. Oops, baby's I think it's full of it. Yeah, that one. Boom. Just take it out. No, baby stock.
भर के लो
भर के लो पूरा भर के ले.
now it's done.
Now it's time
Close
to
the lid.
close. It's really button. It's like it's feeding a baby. It's like feeding a baby some jelly. Oops. It's gonna funny. Now it's time to poop. क्या अच्छा लग रहा है ना test tube rainbow? Test tube rainbow. Test tube. It's not just done yet. You have to wait for 20 to 13. To see the magic, you have to wait for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm just gonna play with jelly for a bit so that I wait. And I also watch the rainbow.